Hey yo, it's Chris O from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. Yeah, g'day mate. How are you? This is what are we now? The 8th day. Eight days, and I'm just about out of here. I'm doing the splashback now. I've got a little bit of floor grout still to do. But I'm just waiting for the odd tile to, I've just glued them in, like in the wardrobe, you know, in that cupboard and that sort of thing. So I thought, right, I'll zap this splashback, I'll grout it up. I've cleaned all the crosses out. I'll just put this on my head. I've cleaned all the crosses out now. I'm just checking it for glue. I hope you can see. Just with a Stanley knife, check the lines, check for a bit of glue. There's a cross still in there. Yeah! Get that out. I've been a professional tiler for 35 years, proud of it, and I'd like to teach people on YouTube because it's a thing of the future. I've had apprentices and all that sort of thing. Now it's time to teach DIYs on YouTube. Once I've grouted it, I'll cut out that old silicon. Bit of a pain, but that's all right. We'll cut that out with a sharp Stanley knife. Okay, well that looks pretty good too. There's a bit of plastic from the cross. Cut that sucker out. Get out of there. Hope everyone's having having a great day. It's all pretty awesome out there. Yeah, well that looks pretty good. So we'll slap some grout in. The owners aren't here at the moment, so they were a little bit undecided. I wanted the light grey, they were thinking of a bit darker, but they've sort of changed their mind to a lighter grey. So quick, get it in before they come back. Then they won't be able to change their mind. No, they're good people, you know, like this floor, she's always cleaned it up. The next morning before I get here, it's come out fantastic. I hope you can see. I've got to grout this yet, but it won't take long. The plumber comes today to fit the toilet, so then I can scribe those two back pieces into the toilet pan. So next up I'll grout that in white grout, that splashback, with home and hose. Then I'll drop down onto the floor, finish that off, and then probably tomorrow I'll be doing the silicone right around the edge. So we'll carry on with a bit more of this grout. Let's get it in. Oh. I don't know where everyone's from, but in Australia at the moment the subway tile is, and you know, for splashbacks is in, and the plank floor, like you can buy your cheaper look-alike, but that is the real deal. It can flood, it can, you know, you can have a flood in the house or whatever. That will be down for ever because it's been laid properly as well. So when you're grouting, like this is a fairly sort of textured tile, so you just try and get as much off as you can. Squeegee it off the best you can. I reckon that's going to look awesome once I wash that off, because white wouldn't do it much. Light grey just sets it off, I reckon, with this texture in the tile as well. The next one I go to is, it's another floor, but I've got to repair some of the floor as well, and then I'll sheet it all in cement sheet because it's all a wooden floor. So I'll cement sheet it all, nail it off every 100 mil, and then lay tiles over it. Then my next one after that is 136 square meters of 6x6 shiny floor tile, and a bathroom as well. It's all on one level. It's a nice house on acreage. So there's a lot to learn, there's a lot to see. Subscribe and you won't miss a trick. This is calling everyone to action. Chris O the Tiler from Down Under. See ya.